Hello, good morning. I'm Marvin M. De La Cruz from BS Criminology 1A, and for today, we are going to talk about COVID-19 and how to prevent it. So, let's start. Coronavirus disease or COVID-19 pandemic. Coronaviruses or COV are a large family of viruses that cause illness ranging from the common cold to more severe disease. A novel coronavirus or nCoV was identified on January 7, 2020 and was temporarily named 2019 nCoV. It was subsequently named the COVID-19 virus. So, ang coronavirus ay isang malaking viruses na nagkakos ng illness at una daw itong na-identify noong January 7, 2020 and it was 2 years ago. Coronavirus disease or COVID-19 is an infectious disease caused by the SARS-CoV-2 virus. So, ang sinasabi dito is infectious. So, it means nakakahawa itong coronavirus. Most people who fall sick with COVID-19 will experience mild to moderate symptoms and recover without special treatment. However, some will become seriously ill and require medical attention. So, sa mga tao daw na tatamaan ng COVID-19 or virus ay makakaranas ng mild to moderate symptoms. At pwede rin ito maging seryosong sakit at kailangan na ng medical attention. And next is, how does coronavirus spreads? The virus can spread from an infected person's mouth or nose in small liquid particles when they cough, sneeze, speak, sing, or breathe. These particles range from larger respiratory droplets to smaller aerosols. So, nagsisimula daw itong kumalat from an infected person by mouth or nose or sa bibig or sa ilong. In small liquid particles kapag sila ay umuubo, sumisinga, nagsasalita, kumakanta, or humihinga. You can be infected by breathing in the virus if you are near someone who has COVID-19 or by touching a contaminated surface and then your eyes, nose, or mouth. The virus spreads more easily indoors and in crowded settings. So, pwede kang mahawaan by breathing. Yun yung sinasabi dito. The virus if you are near someone who has COVID-19. Kapag malapit ka daw sa isang tao na mayroong COVID-19 or by touching a contaminated surface. And then sa mata, sa ilong or sa bibig. Mas mabilis daw kumakalat ang virus sa loob ng bahay or sa maraming taong lugar. So next is the symptoms. COVID-19 affects different people in different ways. Most infected people will develop mild to moderate illness and recover without hospitalization. So, we have here two kinds of symptoms. Number one is most common symptoms and next is less common symptoms. So, most common symptoms, fever or sakit, cough or pag-ubo. Next is tiredness, yung feeling mo pagod ka. And next is loss of taste or smell. Ito yung pagkawala ng panlasa or ating pag-amoy. The next one is less common symptoms. Number one is sore throat, pangangati ng lalamunan. Next is headache, pagsakit ng ulo. Next is aches and pains. Ito yung pananakit ng ating katawan. Next is diarrhea or pagtatae. Next is a rash on skin or discoloration of fingers or toes. Ito yung makikita natin sa mga balat natin. Next is red or irritated eyes, pamumula ng mata. And the next part is the prevention. Protect yourself and others around you by knowing the facts and taking appropriate precautions. Follow advice provided by your local health authority. Check with your local health authority for the most relevant guidance for your region to prevent the spread of COVID-19. Number one is maintain a safe distance from others, at least 1 meter, even if they don't appear to be sick. So, kailangan natin ng social distancing at least 1 meter. Next is wear a mask in public, especially indoors or when physical distancing is not possible. So, always wear a mask public or indoors. Next is choose open. Well-ventilated spaces over closed ones. Open a window if indoors. So, dapat lagi tayong nasa mga open area para maliit yung possibility na yung kumakalat na virus is hindi direktang tatama sa iyo. And next is clean your hands often, use soap and water or an alcohol-based hand rub. So, kailangan daw nating maghugas lagi ng ating kamay, especially kapag kung ano-ano yung hinahawakan nating bagay. Next is get vaccinated when it's your turn. Follow local guidance about vaccination. So, kailangan natin mabaksinan or mag-vaccinated upang mabawasan yung possibilities na tayo ay mahawaan or kung mahawaan man tayo ay hindi ganon kalala. Next is cover your nose and mouth with your bent elbow or a tissue when you cough or sneeze. So, kapag tayo daw ay uubo or sisinga, takpan daw natin ito ng ating bent elbow or gumamit tayo ng tissue. And next is stay home if you feel unwell. So, kapag ang feeling mo ay hindi maganda, it's better to be in your home or mag-stay ka na lang sa iyong bahay. If you have a fever, cough, and difficulty breathing, seek medical attention. Call in advance so your healthcare provider can direct you to the right health facility. This protects you and prevents the spreads of viruses and other infections. So kapag tayo daw ay may sakit or may ubo or nahihirapan tayong huminga, mas mainam na itawag na lang natin ito upang mabigyan tayo ng medical attention and may provide ng healthcare ang mga kailangan natin. So that's it. So I'm Marvin M. De La Cruz from BS Criminology 1E and thanks for watching.